Do you want to look younger, fresher, and say goodbye to wrinkles without spending money on expensive creams? Today I will show you one of the best natural homemade face masks that really helps to reduce wrinkles and make your skin glow. This natural mask tightens the skin, reduces wrinkles, and gives you a youthful glow. The necessary ingredients are 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of lemon juice. The method to create: take the egg white in a clean bowl, add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Add 3 or 4 drops of lemon juice and stir until smooth. Apply the mixture gently on your face and neck. Leave it for 15 or 20 minutes until it dries. Then wash your face with lukewarm water and feel the freshness. Use it 2 or 3 times a week for best results. That's it for today, friends. Try this natural mask and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more easy and natural beauty tips, see you in the next video. Stay healthy.